These are a couple of old Trane Weathertron Executive High Efficiency Heat Pumps. Not running right now. It is very windy and wet today, so I don't really think the central air is needed. I mean, it's like in the low 70s. Here's a Goodman right here. What year is that thing right here? Okay. July of '84. This is probably a... Okay, it's kind of hard to decipher the tonnage on this unit, but I would say this is probably like a 1.5 or 2 ton. Oh, and there's a nail right there. There's a lot of these old Weathertrons around here. Oh, something's running. Okay, what's more Goodmans? Something over here is running. Yep, sweet. Oh, and it just shut off. Oh well. Also from July of '84. Goodman Copeland reciprocating compressor. And it's not really easy to get around the date. And these are all heat pumps. Alright. There's more Weathertrons over there. There's a Nordyne right beside it. And there's okay. More of these Weathertrons. Another Goodman. Look at that hack job. Okay. Yeah, there's a Trane XC900 over there. And there's another one of those executives. A couple more executives right here not running. There's a couple more Goodmans over there. Yep. There's a Goodman back here. Not running. Or it is. Yes, it is. Another one of those Weathertrons. There's a Trane XR over there. Might get a quick look at that. And a Goodman. This is a really old apartment area where broke people stay. So they have all these old and cheap units here. Yeah, this is an XR11. Goodman. A couple more Goodmans. They're both running. Wow. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. Wow, that's destroyed. You know what? This one might not even work anymore. Alright. Okay, there's another Nordyne over there. And another executive. Oh, and here's another Nordyne right here. Neither of these are running. Or, oh no, it's so quiet I couldn't tell until I got up close. Alright. Let's see what else we can find. That Goodman is very, very quiet. Surprisingly quiet. Yeah, more units over here. More Goodmans. Let's see if I can get the year off of this. Ah, this is... Can't tell. '09. This is probably like a 2 or a 2.5 ton. More of these Goodmans. Not running. Okay. Yep. Trane XC1000. Sweet. This is probably... Okay, this is from... Oh, something just turned on. I don't know what I know, but there just did. Yeah, this is from March of '02. This is a 1.5 ton. Efficiency. Alright. More of these. 4.9. Trane and a Goodman right there. Train's running. Yeah. Goodman. Okay, I'm gonna go to the ones on the other side of the property. If I have time. If not, out. Okay, I am on the other side of the property. And as you can see, we have 3 Goodmans and another one of those old Tranes. That one's probably from '84 as well. And you know what? I bet those Goodmans replaced those old Weathertrons. Yeah, there's a Trane XC1000 and another one of those old Executives. Dang it, not running. Weathertron right there. Oh, and there's a... What? Something over here that's interesting. Do not know what this thing is right here. Interesting. Goodman right here. Oh, that old Weathertron over there is running. Take a look at that momentarily. Cope and scroll compressor. This looks fairly new. Is this one of those '84 Weathertrons? I don't know. Yeah, this is '86. February of '86. And this Goodman is... Yeah, that's definitely the heat pump. And this is from 2016. And that is a... That can't be a 1.5 ton. Looks a little bigger than that. I'm seeing 18 in the model number. Okay. That Weathertron right there is running. Take a little look at that. Here it is. This Goodman is running. Alright. Let's see if we can find any more. And there's 2 more of these right here. Neither of them are running. I find it interesting that they're painted gray. Or you know what, these might have just been repainted. Can't tell. Yeah, the paint's kind of going through the manufacture date. And as far as I know, all of these do still work. February of '86. This is a 1.5 ton. A lot of these old units back here. Can't really see them. Like Goodman, Trane. You know, is that, what's that back there? Is that a Rudd or that one right there is turned on. Let's see if I can. This is a Puro Guard. Never heard of that before. That's a heat pump, Copeland reciprocating compressor. I'd love to see one of those little Weathertrons defrosting. Maybe I'll come back this winter to see if I can get that. Yeah, this one just turned on. And here's another one of these repainted Weathertrons. It's got the Climate Tough reciprocating compressor. Yeah. There's the reversing valve right there. It's actually behind that blade right there. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can find any more units. Whoops, spider web. Okay, let's just go this way. Yep. Still more units over here. Okay. I only have a couple more minutes left to film. There's some more units down there. There's like a Ream or a Rudd, a Trane XE1000, and a Goodman. Okay. Okay. Oh, and there's something down there. I can't tell what that is. Right there. Oh, I know what. That's a Nordyne. And there's something down there. Can't get very close to it. That's someone's property. That's either a Ream or a Rudd. Alright. Almost done. Almost done. Another Trane XE1000. Goodman Weathertrons. Wow, these cheap and old units. More Weathertrons down there. There's not too much more to film. Just the same units. Something down there's running. Oh wow, that train is very noisy. Right down there. Yeah, that's an XE1000. That Weathertron right there is running. I assume that's in cool mode. I assume all these are in cool mode. Another one of those Ream or Rudds. That's probably a Ream, but not totally sure. More of those units. Goodman. Weathertrons. Okay, 2 Goodmans and a Weathertron. A Trane XE1000. Another Weathertron and a Goodman. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.